Hi, I'm Bryce Walker, just a fake character who wants to help. Then there's this guy, he's a real character. I'm the real Bryce Walker. I'm just a guy who wants to help. Are you sure you don't want to be one of those guys who say, follow me, I'm your YouTube expert, I speak fast and I will help you make $1 million while you sit on your toilet, just buy my book first, huh?
No, because I'm better than your average YouTube expert. And I do it for free.
You sure?
That's better.
What I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I have acquired over a very long career in construction. Skills that make me the exact person you need to talk to when it comes to construction matters. I will find the answers. I will answer any questions for you. And I will make a video out of it. I will find the answers. I will answer your questions for you. And I will make a video out of it.
This channel is dedicated to explore and explain the why, where, who and how of what's important to you. Construction. You ask it and I answer it. I make it easy for you and it's easy for me.
Hey dumbass, let me show you how hard this really is. Look at this. Animation is just hard.
I will research it so you don't have to. The goal is what our tagline says. Difficult will be made easy. I will draw it for you if that's what it takes for you to understand.
But comment wisely, because you are going to be blamed for the contents of this channel.
I will give you answers on your difficult questions. You ask it and xPlannation will make it easy.
I'm not big in conspiracy theories or anything, but because Google knows where you have been, and YouTube shows you videos based on your activity, there's a reason why you are watching this, huh? Think about it.
If you are watching this trailer, it is because you haven't subscribed yet. Go ahead, subscribe. The notification button right over there. So you are gonna be the first one to get content from this channel.
I'm not sure if that's for, but do it anyway.
There are hundreds of thousands of one comment asking us to talk about drywall. So, oh, thanks mom, won't let you down. That's mom.
This is just the end
one
of
person.
times, you know? When your Uncle Dryce is getting paid to do his own YouTube channel, you know that the art's about to die. Hey kids, give up your dreams. Because this is how your favorite YouTuber will look like in 30 years. So get used to it and subscribe. A shout out to those who complain but don't try to do any better. Yeah, doing a good job. There are some thoughts that only a cartoon character can get away with it, so F you, man. Get that guy away from me. This guy is ruining it for everyone who aspires to be a YouTuber.
Subscribe. No, meu Deus.
Thumbs down, again.
Okay, no. Thumbs up. Easy for you. Qual que era a linha?
Gravando?
Ela falou mais animado, então vou fazer.